Aloha, this is Patrick Long with eXp Realty. Welcome to 637 Manuo'o Street. Come check it out. This elegant home is nestled in the Kailua community
of Kookanono.
This peaceful neighborhood not only provides a convenient location for shopping, eating, and entertainment, but is only a 10-minute drive from the infamous Kailua Beach, where you can embrace nature's beauty and healthy lifestyle. Boasting over 5,000 square feet of land and almost 1,400 square feet of living space, this turnkey property is ready for you and your family. Featuring 4 spacious bedrooms with 2.5 newly updated bathrooms. This unique beauty has a copious amount of upgrades, from the multiple split AC units throughout the home, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops in the chef-style kitchen, water and scratch-resistant luxury vinyl plank floors, 8 wireless Wi-Fi security cameras, dual pane windows, as well as 37 solar panels for energy-efficient living. This beautiful backyard is a private oasis with a covered lanai, updated vinyl fencing, and plenty of space for entertaining. This is one of the most versatile properties to hit the market. We look forward to seeing you at the open house.